Hey friends, it's no secret that my favorite vintage shop in San Diego is Bad Madge Company. I have done lots of videos featuring Bad Madge and Tanya, the incredible owner of the shop. I have sourced some of my favorite articles of clothing and things for my home from Bad Madge. So recently, when Tanya gave me a call and asked me to do a collaboration with her, I jumped at the chance. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. Tanya is such an amazing person. She does so much for the vintage community in San Diego and for local, small, sustainable businesses. She's incredible. She's the nicest person. She's always been so supportive of me and what I'm doing. Like many small business owners, when COVID came around, Tanya needed to figure out what to do to keep her business going, and I'm in such awe of what she's done and how well she's been doing. Years ago, Tanya realized that she needed to have a good online presence, so she had a good Instagram following already, but she has beefed that up and found such fun ways to get people engaged and has actually gotten a lot broader of an audience. So one thing she came up with is these fun things she calls the Thursday night thing. She recently started inviting guests to be part of her Thursday night thing, and moi, I got invited. That's what I get to do. I am going to take you along on the before, during, and after of this week's Thursday night thing.
Hi guys, hey, it's Tanya and I'm here with Rajka Hayden.
Hello.
And we're getting excited about tomorrow night's Thursday night thing. And Rajka was pulling some fabulous pieces. Of course, we're going to be doing home goods, fashion. Yay!
This is my rack with like everything I actually want to purchase. Here's a bunch of other stuff pulled of mine, looking good. That Jennifer Grace caftan with the necklaces and turban. And then check out my bride. Oh, I love this bride outfit. I think that would be a very cool outfit. All right, this lamp, I mean, come on. That's a really cool chandelier on top of a dining table or somewhere. That's really pretty with like the shelves. I pulled this basket and absolutely love these too. The wall things, 70s. Gravitating to these 70s for sure. Also like this little guy. Might have to get this mermaid here for Dane. I liked that art. Another thing that I want is this purse, this bag, like so cool. Check this out, okay? Gorgeous glass in this color. You open it up and this is where you would put like your perfume or your cologne if you take it out of the bottle and put it here instead. So it becomes this beautiful piece in your bathroom too. I mean, come on.
Hi guys! Hey, it's Tanya at Bad Madge, and I have the fabulous Rajka Hayden with me from the Dress Up Mom on YouTube. So excited. And welcome to our Thursday night thing. So we've been bringing on some great guests for our Thursday night thing. And I want to welcome Rajka for being here tonight. She is a fabulous lady who does amazing wardrobe makeovers. So talk about your outfit. So
Okay.
this is one of the things that she bought at Bad Madge.
So this, look at the sleeves on this thing. Isn't this amazing? And the colors.
The print is amazing.
So what this was when I found it here, it was a big muumuu type dress. It was a long dress that was big. I love these Hawaiian dresses because you can taper them. So I looked at it and I thought, wow, wouldn't it be cool to make like a little shirt like this and a skirt? So I took it to my tailor. I got 2 pieces out of it, and I love wearing this one with just make it really casual. These are a pair of vintage like navy jeans that I found, and I hemmed them up a little. And then these shoes are from a really small maker. They're called Sabas. And
They're one of your favorites.
Yeah, they're sustainable. Everything that I wear is sustainable small. Then my headband is Jennifer Grace from here. This headband is the best COVID anti-thing. My hair was a mess today. Put this on. So I love combining new, old, mixing fancy with casual.
And don't be afraid of color and having fun with fashion.
Color. And look at these sleeves. I mean, how can you not love this?
And yesterday when she came into pull, she was wearing I think it was a Chinese dress with the frogs that she bought here, so it was vintage. So that's how we got to know each other. She was one of my regular customers, and we just, we hit it off. We became friends. I feel like we're friends now. And that's the best part about my stores. I really feel like this has become a community for people. And we have all walks of life. We really, feel like we are a community and a family. So let's start with our first outfit. So I'm going to have you hold them, and then I'll give some pricing and some things like that. So our first is number 1. And tell us why you picked this.
And the reason that I love all of this stuff in here is because it's so much better made than you're going to find anywhere else. And so unique. It's the greatest way to find unique stuff. I loved this to go on. I mean, I would wear this around the house. I would also take this on any vacation to a beach or anywhere. I love this detail on here. The colors, it's this really nice soft fabric.
Okay, so we paired it. You paired it with this fabulous purse.
Okay, I had another thing I added with this.
You did.
And make it perfect.
So the hat is number 3.
Also put with this.
So the brown vintage hat. So it's a men's hat, but you can. To me, that's.
I love shopping in men's.
Yeah, no problem.
And it has even the green that goes with.
Kind of pulls it together. So.
Makes me want to go on a vacation like right now.
Totally. She's dying over this. I think maybe she's gonna buy it.
I know. I love this.
So we have an outfit that was the skirt and the shirt, but you separated.
So that's another thing when you're vintage shopping. Look for these 2 pieces, which will show you the second part of it here, but it has this thing. And know that you can break them up.
Yeah, and make completely different outfits.
Yeah, make them together, but break them up. And I just loved how funny it was to put Dolly.
Yes.
It's amazing, right? Everybody loves Dolly. This piece.
It's really good.
Unbelievable shape. It's in great condition.
Excellent condition.
And you could do so much with this. Again, we're showing it in a kind of funky way. You could dress this up. You can dress this down. Love Levi's. The skinny jeans are out, people. We have this confirmed now. Skinny jeans are out. Time for us to get back into our lovely Levi's again. You cannot go wrong with these. You can alter them if you need to make it smaller, bigger, roll it up. But I thought, again, these are super casual on this light wash. This sort of elevates it, but still keeps you cool, looking a little bit cool and modern.
Added the fantastic purse. Okay, so then we have the top to the skirt that we showed earlier. So this little peplum top, little jacket.
So cute.
Super cute. I love the little peplum, very girly. And I love the tag. Look at the tag. Made in the USA. As far as I understand, in the United States, only about 5, maybe 7% of fashion today is made in the United States. Back in the 70s, it was more like 80%. So, things have really shifted. Starting in the 70s, things went overseas. So, when you buy vintage, you were supporting a really amazing industry. So look at this.
I would love wearing it together too.
For sure.
You know what I mean? You have you could put together 5, 6 looks with these pieces.
Absolutely.
So
we had it paired originally with a black skirt, and then you changed it up and put it with
just
the
to make it a little bit more.
A little more casual. I like the distress kind of on the butt there. They're really a nice denim. So these are Dolce & Gabbana. They have a suede leather lace up. I love that.
Yeah, and I just thought they would look kind of fun here with this. They make it a little bit more sort of modern and fun.
And Echo scarf. Here, let me pull that off.
Okay. No, I hope nobody ever buys a scarf not at vintage.
Yeah, I mean, why would
there's
you?
so many amazing
Look at this red, white, and blue. It's an Echo silk scarf. So pretty. And I love how you put it with this. It looks so great with that.
All right, well, we just wrapped it up. It was a lot of fun. Some of those pieces, if they don't go, I'm gonna come back and get. Here's the goods. Oh, love them all. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check out Bad Madge if you're in town, or buy from her online. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.